Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. AvgJoeWatchReviews, where we do more than just reviews. Today we're diving into the captivating story behind Tudor's iconic snowflake hands. Before we delve into the history, let's take a moment and understand what the Tudor snowflake handset actually is. The snowflake handset actually refers to the distinctive shape of the hour, minute, and second hand found on certain Tudor watches. The hands have a unique yet angular design with a square-shaped tip resembling the shape of a snowflake, hence the name. These distinctive hands have become synonymous with Tudor and many of their timepieces, and their origins date back several decades. So let's unravel the history of the Tudor snowflake hands. Our story begins in the 1960s when Tudor, which is a sister company of Rolex, introduced the Submariner. These watches featured a unique handset that would eventually be known as snowflake hands. So what made these snowflake hands so special? Well, they were specifically designed to enhance legibility and functionality, especially in low light conditions. The square-shaped tips of the hands provided improved visibility, making it easier for divers to read the time at a glance. Additionally, the wider surface area of the hands allowed for better differentiation between the hour and minute hands, even in low light or murky environments. The larger blocky hour hand and the diamond-shaped minute hand provided excellent contrast against the dial, making it easier to read the time at a glance. There's a huge military connection. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Tudor snowflake handset is their association with the military. In the 1960s and 1970s, Tudor supplied timepieces to various armed forces, including the French Navy and the US Navy. These military-issued watches were equipped with snowflake hands as they offered superb visibility during critical missions. Over the years, Tudor has continued to refine and evolve the snowflake hands. Today, Tudor snowflake hands have become iconic symbols of the brand's heritage and craftsmanship. Vintage Tudor watches with snowflake hands have gained immense collectability and highly sought after by watch enthusiasts worldwide. These timepieces are treasured not only for their functionality, but also for their historical significance. And that brings us to the end of our journey through the captivating history of Tudor snowflake hands. From their inception in the 1960s to their lasting legacy, these unique watches capture and captivate watch enthusiasts and collectors from all over the world. So next time you come across the Tudor timepiece with the snowflake handset, now you'll know the rich history and craftsmanship, but also the functionality that lies behind them. So I want to thank you so much for joining me today on AvgJoeWatchReviews. If you appreciate this kind of content, please comment down below. And also, if you have any ideas on some future content, I would love to learn along with you. So comment down below. Please click that like button, subscribe, and hit those notification bells. Definitely the most charitable way to help support the channel. So thank you so much, and God bless.